Nancy Martini, and I have been bullet journaling, and I wanted to show you a tip for when you're using your watercolors or pencils, or if you just make a mistake and your journal becomes a little wrinkly. You can see here how I used a lot of watercolor on this paper and it got wrinkly. All you have to do is get a flat iron. You could use a regular iron, but what happens sometimes is the steam can get through and that will mess up your watercolor. So if you just take the curling iron or straightening iron and just run it down once, and you can take it with more than one page so that you have a little thickness. And that will straighten out your page.